So there's something else I would like to teach you. On your phone or even on your desktop. On your desktop is easier to convert a web page to PDF. It's very easy with Google Chrome. So all you need to do is open the web page. Let's say registerable courses. It has been rising as questions from different students. So you come here and choose your faculty. Let's say Faculty of Social Sciences. Apply. Now let's say we are looking for maybe political science or economics, or political science. Let's go for political science. There are 58 courses. So you come down here. Here are your registerable courses with credit units. The most important thing or reason you came here is for this credit units. So to download, and this is from 100 level down. You come down, you see 400 level here. You can see that. So if you want this page to be saved as PDF so that you can make references from it from your future semesters, it's very easy. Simply go here on your phone. This I'm using phone now, not computer. I've demonstrated this in one of my video tutorials using computer. Here I'm using phone. So you go here, scroll down, go to share. From the share menu, you will see print. You go to print. Look at that. Find it wherever it is. Print. Go to print. You tap print. Then wait for your computer to generate a preview. Here, you can see that there are 6 pages, but only page 1 and 2 contains your registerable courses. So all you do is display this. Look at what I did in case you you were left out somewhere. I touched this. This arrow is pointing down, showing that there are some things hidden at the top. So all you need to do is touch it, then it opens up. Here are this page range. Sorry. Here are these pages. You need to open it and pick only page 1 to 2. Since there are 6 pages, other pages are useless to you and it will just occupy more space. So remove other pages by just coming here. Range of 6. Touch that range of 6. Then type 1 to 2. Done. Scroll up. You can see the arrow has turned upward. So you scroll back upward. Other pages have disappeared. Then you can simply convert it to PDF by touching this button here to download it as PDF. That's all. That's all. Downloads as PDF. Look at this. You are saving as PDF. That's it. So it opens up the location window. Where do you want to save this? And what name would you like to use? Computer does not allow this character for saving. So you say register. You can just add my here at the beginning so that it becomes my registerable courses. Then done. That's it. Done. Let's do it again. Share. Print. Pages 1 to 2. Change to PDF. That's it. Remove this. And you've saved it before, so you can't save it with the same name again. You just have to add maybe 2 at the front. My registerable course is 2. Done. That's it. It's saved. I've done it twice, and I believe you've learned something from this.